Hello, good morning students. Today we will discuss topic of microeconomics, consumer equilibrium. And in this chapter we will discuss utility approach. And this is the chapter 3rd of class 12th. In this chapter we will discuss today only we will discuss utility, because in this chapter we have to discuss only the utility approach. In this chapter we will discuss today utility and the two important types of utility. That is, the first type is total utility and the short form is TU, and the second one is marginal utility and the short form is MU. So we are starting with the utility. Want satisfying power of a commodity is known as utility. Please see here, want satisfying power of a commodity is known as utility. अब ये आता है बेटा कि want satisfying power है क्या? सभी चीजों में हमारी वांट को सेटिस्फाई करने की एक पावर होती है, एक क्वालिटी होती है, एक गुण होता है। उसी क्वालिटी का नाम ही यूटिलिटी है। जैसे अगर हमें भूख लगी तो हमने खाना खा लिया, तो उस खाने में हमारी वांट को, भूख को सेटिस्फाई करने की पावर है। दैट्स वाई फूड हैव यूटिलिटी। इन द सेम वे टी, कॉफी, जूस, मिल्क, वाइन, cigarette, all these have utility. So what is utility? Want satisfying power of a commodity. We are not referring to the effect of the use of that commodity on the human body and the mind. We are referring only to the want satisfying power. Okay. The second one is types of utility. There are two types of utility. The one is total utility. What is total utility? Sum total of utilities derived from all the units of a commodity. Sum total of utility derived from all the units of a commodity is known as total utility. It means अगर आपने 2 चपाती खाई, फर्स्ट से यूटिलिटी आपको अज्यूम कीजिए, मान लीजिए फर्स्ट से यूटिलिटी 30 मिली, सेकंड से यूटिलिटी आपको 20 मिली, और आपने अगर 2 ही चपाती खाई, then how much is the total utility? Total utility is 50. So the formula of total utility is TU equals to, what is the formula? TU equals to mu1 plus mu2 and so on. जो फर्स्ट चपाती से यूटिलिटी मिली दैट वाज 30, फ्रॉम सेकंड दैट इज 20. सो हाउ मच इज द टोटल यूटिलिटी? टोटल यूटिलिटी इज 50, and utility is measured in terms of utils, so it is 50 utils. The next one is marginal utility. Marginal utility means the utility derived from one more unit of a commodity, an additional unit of a commodity is known as a marginal utility. Utility derived from an additional unit of a commodity is known as a marginal utility. For example, अगर हमने 2 चपाती से यूटिलिटी मिली from 2 chapatis, utility is 50, and from 3 chapatis utility is 60. So from third we are getting only from third chapati utility we are deriving, that is 10 utils. So this 10 is marginal utility. If we will put the values in the formula, then n means, here n means 3 chapati, and here n minus 1 means 3 minus 1, n is 3 minus 1, it means from 2 chapati. From 3 chapati total utility is 60, and from 2 chapati the utility is 50. That's why 60 minus 50, that's why marginal utility is 10, and this is the marginal utility of third chapati. It means mu of third, तीसरी चपाती की जो यूटिलिटी है, that will be 10 only. In the next video we will discuss the law of diminishing marginal utility. Thank you. Have a nice day.